Welcome back to our next video. In this video, we will have a closer look into vCDM directly. We will learn how to log in, the user interface in vCDM, and how to deliver your first calibrated data into vCDM. Okay, important is that vCDM is installed on your computer, and then you need an icon on the desktop, or you use the Windows Start menu, search for vCDM, and you start with a double click or select the program and vCDM will start. At the beginning, you receive the login window, and there we have the profile, then the login information, username, password, domain, and server. The profile will be empty at the beginning, and just if you have successfully logged in, the information here will be saved, and for the second login, they're available. So insert your username, your password, domain, and server. Then click to OK. Now you receive the guided mode and here the welcome page. Welcome to vCDM. The guided mode is a special user interface for new user and sporadic user. So it's really helpful if you start and not already familiar with vCDM to work in this mode. We have different widgets here. The selection of widget is based on which permissions you have. So if you scroll down a little bit, you have the product information widget. There you can see program version, username, connection, and your role, the permissions you have. Furthermore, there is another user interface, it's the expert navigation mode. But for the beginning, it's really helpful to work with the guided mode, and then afterwards you can decide which mode you prefer to work with. Okay, so we have here different widgets, as example import calibration, export, reporting, and data analysis. We will start with the import calibration file widget. So please click here to import calibration files, and then you receive the wizard. The wizard has different pages. In our example, if you have the default installation, you have 3 pages. And in the first page, we have to select the project and the software for which we want to deliver our data. So if you click to this button, you see which projects are available and you can select this one. And if you click to the pull down menu, you see the software which is available within this project. Select the software for which you want to deliver your calibrated data. Below we have details about the selected software. You see hex, A2L name, and what is the source from where you got these files. So that's all what we have to do within this first page. Click to next. And then on the second page, we have to select the files which we want to deliver into vCDM. So therefore, click to the button Browse File and choose the path where you have the file saved. Then you can select just one file or several files, whatever you prefer. The selected files are listed in this area, and if you click to one file, you can see below there are more detailed information about this file. Under general information, we have full path, modification date, user, things like that. Then we have information about the included functions within this file. You see the name of the function, the version number, and you see the included parameters. Additionally, it's possible to attach files. It's like measurement files, calibration hints, protocols, things like that. Furthermore, you can also add path to network drives or local drives, we have stored additional documents. It is possible to open the existing files with the CDM Studio. For the CDM Studio, we have another video which you can have a look on, where it's described detailed how the CDM Studio is working. Then maybe you selected a wrong file, as example post control, then you can use the remove button. You get a message, confirm, okay, so it's gone now. Then the next button, Excel import. It is possible if you have already a list of parameter set files which you want to deliver, then you can import this Excel list here and you don't have to select the files manually. On the next page, I will describe this feature a little bit more detailed. So we selected the files, we saw their additional information, and I am able to attach additional files. So let's go to the next page. Here we have a list of the selected files, and you can see the different calibration variants within your project. Now we have just 4 projects, but let's guess you have a lot of different calibration variants, maybe 150. So then below there are filter possibilities and you can use them to get a much shorter list and take care that you do not assign a file to a wrong calibration variant. But we want to see all, so I delete this filter again. And then there are different possibilities. You can check and do the assignment individually by hand, or you can use the context menu if you assign sources to all datasets, or assign all sources to dataset. And if you say you want completely all selected, mark all, press the space key, and then all selected. You see different pages here. Basically, they include all the same information, just from a different view. It's up to you which view you prefer, but the assignment is always done on each side on the same way. Okay, to come back again to this Excel feature, here we have the button Excel Export. And now you can export this assignment which you have done, and later for additional delivery, in the previous page we had this import button. Then you can import this Excel sheet again, and you don't have to select the files, neither the assignment to the calibration variants. So that saves a lot of time and makes it much more safe, because you can't check the wrong calibration file or assign the wrong file to a calibration file. So that's a feature which we offer here. Now we have finished the wizard. We selected the project, the software, choose the files which we want to deliver, and done the assignment. So let's click to finish. Now vCDM delivers the file for you, and when everything was okay, you get the green checks here. If there are any messages, errors, there is another page, messages, where you can see the details about maybe errors or warnings which appeared during the delivery. And if everything was okay, click this button and you're finished. Now the project manager can start his work and you can close vCDM. And we are at the end of our video. Please watch the next video. There I will show how to export an updated hex file. Thanks for watching.